Are you all right?
Clank? Clank, is that you? Clank!
With the location of his missing mate in hand, our hero took off into space.
Thanks, pal.
Defect detected.
Don't beat yourself up. This will be just like old times.
Did somebody say something about a savior?
No, actually... No. Yes! That was us that said that.
Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend, my teammate. Hello, Ratchet.
Hey, pal. How you doing?
Fine. You?
Fantastic.